Can artificial intelligence be biased? Imagine if the tech we rely on every day isn't as neutral as we think. Every day we use AI-powered devices that help us search, chat, and even make important decisions. From asking our virtual assistants about the weather to getting recommendations for the next book to read, AI has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. These systems are designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and even more informed. But what if these AI systems, the same ones that advise millions of people, lean toward a specific political view? This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's a growing concern among experts and users alike. The idea that an AI could subtly influence our political opinions is both fascinating and alarming. It sounds wild, but studies have shown that some AI systems actually favor certain political opinions. Researchers have conducted numerous studies to understand this phenomenon, and the results are eye-opening. These biases can be subtle, often going unnoticed by the average user, but they can have significant impacts over time. This happens because AI models are trained on massive amounts of data, often pulled from the internet and social media. The data used to train these models is a reflection of the content available online, which is far from neutral. The internet is a vast repository of human knowledge, but it's also a battleground of conflicting opinions and biases. And let's face it, the internet isn't exactly neutral. It's filled with polarized content, heated debates, and a myriad of opinions that can skew the data. This means that the AI systems we rely on are also absorbing these biases, which can then be reflected in their outputs. It's packed with biases, debates, and tons of opinions. Every tweet, post, and article contributes to the data pool that trains these AI models. The result? AI systems that can inadvertently perpetuate the same biases they were exposed to during training. In one study, researchers found that AI models had a noticeable lead. When asked about sensitive topics, these AI responses skewed one way or the other, depending on the training data. This means that the AI's answers can vary significantly based on the sources of information it was trained on, leading to a lack of consistency and potential bias in its responses. Imagine an AI assistant recommending books, news, or even political stances, subtly shaping the way we think. Scary, right? The implications are profound. If AI can influence our decisions on what to read or which news to trust, it can also shape our broader worldview. This raises important questions about the role of AI in our society and the need for transparency and accountability in how these systems are developed and deployed. So, next time you're chatting with your AI assistant, whether it's asking for the weather, setting a reminder, or even just making small talk or browsing the news it suggests, scrolling through the latest headlines or diving into an article that caught your eye, remember? It might just be telling you what it thinks you want to hear. Curating content specifically tailored to your preferences, based on some data set filled with the world's strongest opinions, meticulously analyzed and processed to predict your interests and keep you engaged. What's your take on the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence? Should AI be completely neutral, or is bias impossible to avoid in such complex systems? We want to hear from you. Comment below with your thoughts and insights. And if you're curious about the groundbreaking tech shaping our future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with someone who needs to know how AI may be influencing them without them even realizing it. Your voice matters in this conversation. Together we can explore the possibilities and challenges of AI and understand its impact on our lives.